Hello everybody, I'm feeling a bit groggy, but welcome to another OS exploration. Today we're going to be doing another PowerPoint presentation. You'll find it just now what it is, and you probably already know from the title what it's going to be. The most anticipated episode, Presentation OS 6.0, and we're getting to almost to the end of this saga, this series with the PowerPoint presentations when it comes to Presentasia, because there's only 8 editions out. Thank you for downloading Presentation. So you'll notice that the tiles, the square shaped tile things, I can't remember what you call them, are now coming in. The very sharp edges instead of the rounded circles, the rounded squares. So it's kind of like mocking a real operating system configuration or setup kind of thing, like you see on Windows 8 or Windows 7. So it's giving all the corporate information and logos, and giving you setup information as well as setup options. For the password, I'm just going to put in 123 and 123. That is actually what I use when, yeah, that's fine. That's what I use when I'm first setting up my phone. I put 1234 just to test out what the password's like, and then I'll put an actual pattern password if it's an Android system. So that's that. And I think I've seen this animation beforehand, but I can't really tell you. I think I've seen this animation before. Like, you've got this kind of like circle kind of animation, and you've got the logo for the system in sight. Might be in a beta Windows logo or something like that. I can't remember. So this is the boot up. Yeah, that's fine. Bring on. So as I say, many people have actually anticipated this. I did initially pre-record this back in December, but then I scrapped it because I wasn't too proud of it. I was a little bit talking too much like I am now, so I scrapped it. So this is WeBrowse and within quick access. So I'm just going to put in google.com. Now, a little bit of a trivia for you. See Google, when it's spelled like this, Googol, this is actually something that was going on initially in the first recording. I mistyped Google and it came out wrong. Googol is actually a number. Google is actually a number 10 to the power of 100. And for those who don't know, it's literally just a big number. It's just 10 plus 100 zeros. So it's a massive number. So let's test out, see if .com works. This is why you get Googleplex and everything else. Googleplex is a little bit bigger, I think. Something's not going on right. You get Googleplex, you get Plexian and everything else. These are very big numbers, and that's probably where Google gets the idea for its names. You get Googleplex, which is the big offices where Google works at. And that's not working, so does this work? Working. Almost. Just my fingers and typing isn't. Disk. No disk, of course. And playing games is probably cool math games that pops up. I think. Yes, it does. And the script error, of course. It's working off an older version of Internet Explorer. Now, I have absolutely not a clue what is going on here. Something that just doesn't want to work properly. The macros are working. I don't know what's going on wrong here, but that is just WeBrowse. You've got the back, forward. You've got reset the page, home, go, and stop. And then you've got the thing to actually type in your URL. So that's quick access. Quickly get to what you need. And then you've got admin. Can we add one? Admin is set. No new users can be created. And hello, capital. Which is kind of rude for me to criticise someone else's writing, because when I come to type them too quickly, I end up using capitals where they're not needed, and then end up spelling someone's name with a lowercase letter. But that's just normal. So this is the loading the user interface, and this is the new UI, which is very squarish. It's very original, you know, it's different from the previous ones. It's actually different to the newer ones as well. So we've got files, which still uses the old file symbol. It's got the rounded squares instead of the, you know, the actual interface kind of sharp squares kind of thing. So we've got rebrowse, which replaces what does rebrowse replace? I think it Internet Atlas I think replaces. You've got a begin button and a leave button, and you've got a question button. So where's exactly what I was talking about, Internet Atlas. Prez Tech no longer supports Atlas. This is because we spent a long time trying to create a better, more solid web browser for systems. Rebrowse was originally just the weaker, quick access version of Internet Atlas, but now it's superior than Internet Atlas in almost every way. Just bleh. Okay, whatever. So it is a little bit more advanced. Well, I thought it was. It's sort of just the same one that's in Access, Quick Access. And this version does actually work. It's coming up with the goggle. It's actually quite the cuteness little doddles. Does this one work? No. 2018 Winter Olympics, and it's, you know, it's thingy day. I can't remember. Valentine's Day based. But anyway, that is that. So we'll cross that off. Media player never functions. We know that it's just a fake media player. Some other PowerPoint presentations actually have it working. You know, you can actually play your own songs through it, and sometimes they have their own preloaded music. This one it's purely just a fake thing. Now the home button, not only when you press it comes with "you're already here" kind of thing. Not coming up with that now. Disk. That did it quite fast. Like, woo! No disks were found in the drive. Pictures, which has never changed since the I think it's like 2.0 or 3.0 with Tree Frog. I like some of the images here though, quite nice. I think this is actually a Windows wallpaper, but I could be wrong, I don't know. You've got this little waterfall, which I actually like this. Now, that's fine. Retasia. Simply brilliant. New features, bloody blum blum blum. So we've got a Pro Dock, which has some options for changing the font, so I'll just put in this as TXT, and you can change it from black to blue to green to red. You can make it centerized, put it back to where it was, and put it to the other side. What are more options? This is actually a part of Visual Basic kind of thing. It pops out from the actual presentation, so you can undo, you can clear, you can insert text as well. This is even more this is even more clear, insert text, clear text, insert, blah. Font 1, font 2, font 3, font 4, font 5, font 6, font 7. I'm just acting like a goof now. The font you choose looks like this, and insert and more options. So that just inserts more text. So simple documents is just this, is a simple document, and then so forth, and then so forth, and then so forth. We go into files, and it's actually organised, you know, as if it would be a real operating system kind of thing. You've got the pictures folder, which showcases images and pops you into the folder view, the actual app, which is similar to an actual operating system kind of thing, which is kind of smart. Games, no games. No, I'll just in there. Thank you very much. Files. We go into documents. And it's got the Pro Docs and everything else. Very smart. And you've got the home button here that takes you back to the home document, the home directory, so to speak. So you can't admin, not sends you right back. Admin. Oh right, okay. Quick access, can't access that. It is so maybe blocked personal data. profile, custom mail. Fair enough. So you got pictures, media. What is media? No, nothing in here. Docs and games. Speaking of games, we'll go straight to the games section. I don't know. I think I've said this before, but I don't think Minecraft and I can understand, you know, mini clip kind of thingy. That's a games thing. But Minecraft and Steam, because you still have to play these games through your actual computer, so I don't actually understand why these two exist. But this is stemming from a time when these PowerPoint presentations were, you know, a big deal. So you can play cool math games, and it's going to come up with an error, like I know that is. So you can just play cool math games if it decides it wants to work, which is very smart, sorry. Come on. I was about to say, is Miniclip been shut down or something? No, it's the web page taking its time to load. So that's that. And Steam cannot reach this page. Come on. You can do it. You can do it, baby. Come on. And yeah, Paul didn't mention this before, but you can play your own as well. You can create your own, you know, source for gaming. What are you doing? Couldn't find any games on your PC. Configure. You can type your own URL kind of thing. It's quite smart. So I might have not mentioned this before, but the web application, the web source in PowerPoint or just Microsoft Office in general works off of Internet Explorer 6. I don't know why it was put in there. It's similar to like how it was embedded in, you know, the early versions of Windows, such as Windows Millennium Edition, Windows 98 and 2000 and XP. But it stems off of that, so it does actually work properly. Plus 8 and calculate, and there we go. So 328, of course. And go back to the app screen. So we've got mail, we've got, what's this? This is a custom app. Customize application. And of course the web elements, I think some of the developer options are still available in modern Office versions, but the web source doesn't work. And of course developer options don't work properly or even exist. Does Cool Iris? No, it doesn't exist anymore, does it? Cool Iris. Most of the developer options, if I can speak, I'm not going to show you my Facebook page, thanks. Developer options don't exist in the mobile applications, like what you can download from the Windows Store, Windows 10 and 8. I'm not sure about the actual one because I've not actually got 2016 or 2013 Office. But that is that. That is Presentasia OS 6. We're almost 2 systems away from completing this whole mini saga, and I'm also going to be moving on to proper operating systems. A part of this series I do actually showcase like elements, like add-ons you can use for your computer, such as new start menus, for instance, or just add-ons. I do Visual Studio based applications that are full screen applications that work like operating system UIs, and you know, add-ons to the Windows itself. I've done iLobit start screen kind of thing. I forgot to show you this. This is the settings as well. You can change the wallpaper you really like. I like the beach one, to be honest. I think it's quite nice. Got leaves, minimal, static, beach, leaves, and minimal. I'm going to keep it black. I'm going to keep it static, and that is that. That's how you personalise it. So I've done of the so-called fake ones. I'm going to see if I can move on to real ones. And just as a sneak peek, I'm going to start off with Windows Millennium Edition. I don't know yet, you know, don't heed my word yet, but I'm getting there, okay? Okay. And might do something special on the channel as well. And if you're wondering what all the fuss is all about when it comes to you know, stuff like the way I'm uploading videos and kind of thing, that this whole channel is literally just an archive of stuff to do with operating systems such as Microsoft Windows, Linux, and everything else. Similar to the Computer Chronicles, but to a different degree. But with that being said, I am Ricky, and I am your host. This is Operating System Chronicles, and I am thankful for you watching. And with that being said, I am glad you watched, and I hope you did like this. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and like the video if you did enjoy it. Let me know that you actually enjoyed it. And if you want to see anything different or new, suggest something below. It can be a UI element, it can be something you add to the Windows itself, it can be, you know, a so-called fake Visual Basic operating system, or another PowerPoint presentation that's like an operating system. Let me know. This whole series is also based on the viewers as well, so if you've got any suggestions, just let me know. On that side of things, I am going to leave it there for now, and thanks for watching. Bye.